Are you gonna He-Man that thing? Oh, she's gone.
What up, what up? You know what time it is. So today I'm gonna work on HOSS. It's been a while. Get to use this now. So very excited about that. Get rid of the old crusty, rusty seat that's in there. It's all ate up. You know, I like this one. I could have went with the tweed or whatever, but I like this one. Got my mounts for the seat, the rails and all that stuff, because it's just more simple, you know? It's just easy, and I like easy sometimes, you know? This is hard enough, so why not make life a little easier, right? So we're gonna put everything together, and you're gonna come along. All right, so the first thing we gotta do is get this nasty, crepid, cracked up, junky seat out of here so we can put our next Kirkey seat in there. Needs a charge. How much you want to bet I was lazy? I only put 2 bolts in. Yeah, nice. Lazy McGee.
Are you gonna He-Man that thing? Oh, she's gone.
Gone. Gone. Don't gotta deal with that no more. Ya tu sabes. So that's gone. I guess I have to use the existing stuff here. A plus B equals C. I'm gonna say short and long, and short and long. Yeah, like that. Feel thick. So it gives me lateral adjustment. That's cool.
That'll be because of like the difference in the width on those seats.
For fat boys.
What size seat did you end up getting anyway?
Dude, I got 18 and a half.
Okay.
So
like what size is your waist?
A lot.
Well, no, I'm saying to help other people out.
Okay, so I'm 6'1", and I'm like 282, so it's all junk in the trunk for me. It was 18 and a half exact.
No, I'm saying what size pants you wear, man.
Oh, shoot. 44, I think.
Okay, so yeah, 44, and you fit in an 18 and a half inch wide Kirkey seat.
Yeah, and I can fit my hands inside.
So 44, 18 and a half inch is a perfect size seat then. Okay.
Yeah.
That's just good for the people to know.
Yeah, it was good. I mean, I was lucky to sit in it beforehand. Oh, interesting. This one's different than that one. This one don't go here. No, maybe that's wrong. Huh. I don't know. I don't understand. I probably should look at the notes. I don't know why there's an angle like this, though.
Yeah, that seems a little odd. I don't know.
So after further review of the play, these are actually mounted wrong. So just by looking at that, this should be like this. And then this one should be back here. So this is where it should be. Boom. Like that. And then this, like this. Boom. I don't know how the hell I'm going to get that nut on there. I'm going to have to like fiddler crab that thing on there like that, I guess. That gives me that. Oh, look. With a purpose.
Oh, how it has that.
Yeah, see that?
Yeah, that's cool.
So that's the dead giveaway.
They're really nice. I think they're nice.
Yeah, I mean, it's a hell of a lot better than trying to make something out of nothing. You know, just click the button and they're here, you know?
Yeah.
It took a while to get here, or whatever. Let's see.
How long did it take them to get here?
Well, I ordered them on a Tuesday, and then they weren't here, like, because they're not far. I mean, well, they're kind of like 3 days away, I guess, like shipping-wise. So, like, I ordered on Tuesday. I called them on Friday. They were like, oh, because they're backed up because everybody's like buying stuff. So I got them like 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks after.
Yeah.
You know, but I'm still stoked to have them.
Yeah, a lot of stuff going on. So who knows?
Really cool koozie. Like you smell it. It smells like a wetsuit. It's like it's not like the cheap foam one. So they sent me a really cool koozie. I like it. It was like black and pink. So
cool.
I'm cool with it. I can dig it. Alright, so what I learned was on the Kirkey seat, you have to drill your own holes so you can put your brackets up. They give you a pretty decent instructions here. I don't know if you can see that, but you have to use your bag kit. It tells you the nuts and bolts, part numbers for them, and basically, you have to put nut washer, thick washer, bracket, washer, nylon nut there, which you can't use impact on. You got to do it by handy hand. So, but that's where I'm at right now, and then, you know, up and down, and I'll show you here in a little bit what it looks like. All right, so little update. Got the brackets on the side that hold on to the seat. So we're gonna bolt it in and see how that fits. Because if that clutch pedal, because I don't know how far that clutch pedal is gonna go. Let me show you down there. because of the, you know, BMW trans and the Tilton. I don't know how far that clutch pedal is going to have to go in. And I like to choke up on my pedals when I'm sitting down. So, I don't know. There's a lot of mystery. I'm just going to basically set up the seat where I'm comfortable with the steering wheel and the brake pedal as my reference. And roll the dice. Yo, I almost forgot to tell you. Look at this. This is the new throttle body for the project. And I picked this because this looks good with the Golden Eagle intake manifold and our Golden Eagle Pro Series fuel rail, which I'm super happy about that. I would guarantee you no other better combination. This, and this. Super happy with it. You know, or something like that. So I never knew how much trial and error there is with the brackets and seat pitch and forward and backward, up, down, left, right, B, select, start. So where the seat is now, great position for the steering wheel, but the clutch pedal is so tall, so far forward that my knee's like up here. You know, it's not very comfortable. Feels like 1,000 sit-ups just to move my clutch pedal. So I'm gonna have to move it back to the end. But that will happen mañana. There you go, day 2. Don't like the way the seat sits as far as my leg length for the clutch pedal. I'm like this with my left leg. So I'm hoping that when we finish all the clutch stuff, it'll be just the right amount of throw. But even then, I still need to move this back because I'm not comfortable. If you're not comfortable driving, it ain't gonna work. I don't care how short it is. So I'm gonna move it back. 18.5-inch wide seat. The rails only allow for all the way forward, in the middle, or all the way back. If you have a smaller seat, you have more range of motion. So I have 3 choices, and the first one is definitely not gonna work. The second one is not working for me, so the third one's gonna have to be the only one I use. So I'm gonna take all 4 bolts out, move it back, and see how that feels. All right, check it out. Ta 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 ta. Got the seat cover on the seat. Seat's all bolted in. Needs the support to our roll cage. When we get the roll cage welded in, it needs the support from here to here to keep that from happening. But even then, it's still, see, it's Gucci. Got our steering wheel there. Now I'm gonna get in it and see how it is getting in and out of this thing. All right, let's see how easy it is to get in this thing. I'll probably take the steering wheel off, I think. Let me see. Yeah. What's too big? Steering wheel's gotta come on. There we go. Oh yeah, more room. Yeah, that's the ticket right there. Boom. Yeah, so I got just enough room for my hands right here in between my thighs and the seat. Just enough for this. So with the proper protection equipment or pants or whatever, jeans or whatever it is the track requires, and fire retardant stuff is the way to go. So if they make something for big boys, I'll go ahead and get one. But for what I see right here, this is pretty legit. So happy with that. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So we put the pedal all the way down, brakes all the way down. I'm not like this, you know, so I can dig it. See what it's like to get out. So steering wheel I know has to come off. I love this steering wheel, by the way. It's probably the coolest thing I've had, with the strange quick release, the Motion RaceWorks button. That's cool, man. All right. Oh, there's wasps. Let me see if I can get out of here without getting stung a bunch of times. So I did this, and I did this. Whoa, my feet don't reach. Fat boy problems, short legs. That's the easy out. Just trying to see if I can give you guys a better like POV of what I can see. So when I'm sitting in the seat, this is what I see. I barely see the screen, or like this top half of the screen of the fuel tech of the FT450, and then everything else is blocked by the steering wheel. So I like where the steering wheel is, but I don't like where that is. So looks like I'm gonna have to come up with another solution, even though I like the way that's set up there. It looks good sitting in there, but I guess I'm gonna have to go to the Motion Raceworks steering column. There must be a steering column mount or something. So I don't know. I have to call Fuel Tech. Maybe they have something, or somebody makes something to mount it there. There's something else I want to show you. So this is the intercooler that I've chosen for the project. It's a high mount backdoor style intercooler made by Powered by Max for an S14 for a 240. I like the way it bolts up, so I'm gonna see if we can't fit it up right. There's your backdoor design. Just go straight back. I'm gonna look at it, stick it on the car, and see where the best place is for it. On a 240, it's designed to like mount high up like this up here. My frame rails are right up on my in and out, so that's not gonna work. And after a little plug and play, flipping it upside down seemed to be the best bet, and mounting it something like this right here would be the best bet for it. Short runs on the in and out for the intercooler, so yeah, I think it looks cool like that, so that's the way we're gonna do it. I'm gonna have to prep the surface on the frame rails with a little bit of stock here, make the pedestal and bolt it up and see how that works. Alright, so as you can see here, got the metal cleaned up fairly decent on both sides. So that way we can make our pedestals and go ahead and mount the intercooler. So check it out, intercooler's in. It's crazy how that works out. Just look at that bend. That's crazy. I mean, nice gap, nothing's touching nothing. That's what's up. So now, oh, and look at this. Crazy enough, this stock throttle body cable for the throttle works out super nice. I mean, it's longer than all heck, but shoot, it'll work for now. Anyway, so that's done. Let's take a look over here. Final look at that seat. Well, I'm sure you'll see it more often, but there it is, all buttoned up. That thing ain't going nowhere. So there you have it. Everything's done. Till next time.